Assalamualaikum Warahmatullah everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you all with me through a very simple yet fun day with me at university. So without further ado, let's begin. Here's the beginning montage and here we begin. The day starts with the Fajr prayer, of course. These shots, by the way, were not filmed at Fajr time, but look at the lighting, so beautiful, subhanallah. The day begins with the recitation of Quran and of course making dua to Allah for a good day. And then of course it was such a beautiful day outside. Al-jawu jameel was-sama'u tamturu. It was time to make some breakfast, so I headed and made some milkshake for myself. I've recently started loving date milkshake, although mango milkshake is actually my most favorite. How about you guys? Which milkshake do you prefer? Morning time is the best time for me. It is actually the time that Allah Ta'ala has blessed us with. It's really upon us to make the best out of our mornings because a productive morning is actually a productive day. And then this pleasant rainy morning called for a bike ride. Now I'm going to let you all hear the beautiful sounds of rain. The calming sounds of nature. How peaceful. Throughout the compound, this is my favorite place and my favorite view. And then the weather changed, the sun rays began to shine. It was time to head toward classes and study. After a whole day of studying, me and my friends decided to go out for dinner. To make the most of this rainy day, have some hangout and enjoy. Here are some snippets from there. For dinner, we decided to explore and try out this new place. The aesthetic and overall look of the interior and the place was just amazing. And of course, the food over here was just delicious. I highly recommend the steak. It was one of the best that I've ever had. And yeah, do check it out. Thanks for watching. Ma'as salama.